Hello, my name is Merveille Moke, and I'm going to major in Computer Information System. Hey guys, my name is Merveille Moke, and today we're going to be preparing and using comma separated value, aka CVS, files in Excel. So we do have four parts into this. For the first part, we're going to be formatting column A to split values separated by commas into three distinct columns. For the first part, we're going to be using a feature called text to columns. So for step one, I'm gonna want to select select column A, hold down the left side of your mouse to select all the values. You have to make sure all the values are selected. And after that, we're gonna go to the data ribbon, which can be found on the top between formulas and review. So on your right side, you should see a label that says text to columns. So click on that one. Click next. If this is not already selected, you want to select comma, next, and then finish. So that concludes part A. So for part B, we're going to create a histogram chart of debut year. So we're going to want to select the debut year column, which is column D. Hold down the left side of your mouse to select all the values. And for this one, we're going to click on the insert, which can be found between home and draw. On the right side, you should see all the graph labels. Click on the one that says column, first one. And after that, we're going to change our bit width to 3. Double click or right click. On the bottom, you should see an option that says format chart area. So select where it says size and properties. Click on size. You should see width. I'm going to change that to 3. That concludes part A. Part B, sorry. Close this up. Close this out. The next part, we're going to create a custom sort. We're going back to the data ribbon, which can be found on the top between formulas and review. Click on sort. Click select continue with the current selection. Sort. And for the order, we're going to change this right here to largest to smallest. Click OK. We're going to do another one for hero column, which is column C. Click on sort. Continue with the current selection. I'm going to make sure for the order it says A to Z. Click on OK. And we're going to do one for first and last. We're going to do it simultaneously so the names can still match. Make sure you select all the values. I'm going to go on sort for the column. Click on first. Add a different one for the column. Click on last. And the order, make sure it says A to Z. A to Z. And then click on OK. All right, and for the last one, we're going to be for part D. This is the last part. We're going to create a filter for all the columns. We're going to select all the columns. Make sure all the values are selected. So for this column, for this filter, we're going to only display the hero whose last name contain the anywhere. So we're going to click on filter, which is next to the sort, and then on the last name, click on contains. So first of all, we're going to deselect select all D, and that should change it. And before, and that concludes this one. And this one concludes our tutorial. And before I let you guys go, I'm gonna ask one simple question. What's blue and not heavy? Light blue. Because it's blue and it's light. I see myself out. You guys have a nice day.